Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today to do a quick demonstration on making a roll of the aged sellotape. I've used it for years and I love it, but sometimes it's kind of difficult keeping the strips and binding it when I need it. I watched a video by Kerry at Whichcraftdoyoudo, and I thought it was genius. She had taken a tape dispenser and transferred the tape from the tape roll to an empty tape holder or dispenser and had aged it, and I'll demonstrate, but I'll link her video below because it was really great. The only problem I had was I only have one tape dispenser and I use it on my desk while I pay bills and that type of thing. So I thought it would be easier in my craft room if I had a smaller roll. So I got just a roll of this Scotch tape and transferred the tape from here onto here and then put it back on there. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a minute. But it's easy. It is a little time consuming. Sometimes the tape does get a little wonky, but it doesn't hurt it at all. And then you have a great supply that you can use whenever you need, and it's right there on your desk. So let me set up and I'll show you quickly what I used. Okay, these are the supplies. I used just some felt and I cut it into a strip, and I rolled it up, and then I clamped it with a little Dollar Tree clamp, and I add the alcohol to this and then add some applicator and apply it to the tape, and I'll show you. So I just used the Ranger Alcohol Ink Caramel, and I had a roll of tape, and a empty tape holder. So what you're going to do is you want to take this tape out of the holder, and so it may be hard for me to do on camera, but you just squeeze those two little prongs together and then the tape will come right out. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to put it onto this empty roll, and I have it doubled up right here so it's a little easier for me to handle. And then you just try and line it up as best you can. And then I'm going to take my little dispenser or applicator, and I just put a tiny amount of ink on the applicator, and then you just apply it to the tape, and see, and you just roll it along, and you can go all the way over and do as much as you can at one time. And then when you get to a spot, and you just have to roll it, and you try and keep it neat, but it does get wonky. And if you missed a spot, just go back and fill it in, and you just keep going. And then you have to work a little fast. The alcohol does tend to, dry quickly. So, but it's quick and easy. And then when you get to the end of the roll here, I'll show you. When you get to the end of the roll, I'll just pull this out. You're going to take this roll that you have your tape on, and I'm going to turn a little piece down just so it's easier to work with. And then all you do is you put it back into your little tape holder, and now you have sellotape that you can use. So there you go. quick and easy, a lot of fun. It is a little time consuming, but at the end you have a great supply of the aged sellotape. Thank you very much.